There was a small village by the river. Everyone lived happily. Once, during the monsoon season, it rained heavily. The river started overflowing and flood entered the village. Everyone started to evacuate their homes and set out to go to the safe place. A fellow was stuck on his rooftop in a flood. He was praying to God for help. Soon, a man with a boat came to rescue him and he told him that, "I have come to rescue you. Please climb on the boat." The fellow shouted back, "I am not an atheist like you all and I have a full faith in God. I trusted the God that He will come to save me. You may go." So the rowboat went on. As the level of water kept on rising, he kept praying to the God to save him. Then a motorboat came by. The man in the motorboat shouted, "Jump in, I can save you." To this, the fellow said, "No thanks. I am praying to God and He is going to save me. I have faith." So the motorboat went on. The fellow kept praying to the God to save him. Then a helicopter came by and the pilot shouted down, "Grab this rope and I will lift you safely." To this, the fellow again replied, "No thanks. I am praying to God and He is going to save me. I have faith." So the helicopter left to search and help others. Soon the water rose above the rooftop. He kept his head up and started complaining, "Oh Almighty, I worshipped you for all my life and kept my faith in you. Why didn't you come to save me?" To this God replied, "Oh madman, I came to save you 3 times. I sent you a rowboat and a motorboat and a helicopter. What more did you expect? And what is my fault if you didn't recognize me?" Then he realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. He got his chance to go to the safe place on one more time, which he accepted. Moral: in life, opportunities come unknowingly without any recognition. We fail to recognize it and keep complaining that life didn't give us the opportunity to lead a successful life. Always take every chance you get to make a better life.